Hi, welcome back to another one of my reviews. This really isn't to put in your junk journals, but I ran into this at a thrift store, so I thought I would share this book. So this is Adventures in Bookbinding, Handcrafting Mixed Media Books by Janine Stein. It's a paperback book. Looks like it's sold for $24.99 in the US. I did not pay that. I think I paid like $3 at the thrift store. But it does give you a great introduction and step-by-step, and it gives you some templates for spines and whatnot. So I thought this was helpful. I thought, because I do not know how to do every single type of book binding techniques that are out there. So I bought this to read through and check it out. And it does tell you step by step and diagrams on how to sew in the signatures and the supplies to use in different types of books and journals. And I'm gonna get me one of these. Oh no, not the eyelet setter. I have that. It's a wrong picture. I thought it was the other one. There's a picture of a Japanese hole punch. So I am gonna pick me up. I thought that was the picture of it. So this was a really great book, even though I've been doing it for a little while. There are things in here that I'm learning, so that I didn't know. So, yeah, so even if you're a beginner, this would be great. I wish I had this when I first started. Isn't that beautiful? Shows you how to bend and turn, to make wire, the wire things. To add charms and stuff. Yeah, it's wonderful. Oh, where's that Japanese punch? I wanted to show you. Oh, right there it is. Yeah, it's kind of cool. So I thought I'm gonna look for one of those. Talks about the parts of the book, the names. So yeah. And so this is 2011. All right, so that's Adventures in Book Binding. All right, thanks.